guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a busy week for everybody. There's been graduations here and there, and I would like to say congratulations for those of you who graduated. You guys are awesome. Keep up the good work. And it is also a long weekend because it's Memorial Day weekend. So for today's video, we are going to talk about BH Cosmetics. So I'm going to go ahead and do a tutorial review video for you. So it is called Take Me Back to Brazil by BH Cosmetics. And it is a very colorful palette. I have never tried a colorful palette before, so this is going to be a challenge for me. So I'm a little bit nervous because I've never done this before. Let's go ahead and start exploring the colors for you. Alright, so this is how it looks like inside if you don't have this palette yet. So this is how it looks like. There you go. Very colorful palette. We got like the pinkish palette over here. We got the like the greenish, orange, yellowish over here, and then we do have like this one's like kind of like greenish, and then blue, and then deep blue sea, and then there's like the purple area over here on this area. This is a really nice color. I want to try and see if I'll be able to make something out of the green palette over here in this Take Me Back to Brazil BH Cosmetic palette. They say it's very pigmented, so I really want to try and see how it's going to work out. So let's go ahead and start. I've already put concealer and powder and foundation in my face. So let's go ahead and focus on our eyes. Okay, so I'm going to use NYX waterproof eyeshadow primer. What I normally do is I just put it like this. I'm just going to go ahead and spread it like this. Right? I'm gonna spread it like that. Okie dokie. And then do it on the other side of the eye. There you go. Okay. I am dying with my freaking allergies right now. Alright, so I've already put primer on our eyes. I let it dry a little bit. Let's go ahead and just put powder on the eyes. And I'm putting loose powder, which is the Airspun. It's the Airspun loose face powder, or anything that's kind of like just matching the color of your face. Okay, so I'm just putting it around over here. So I've already set my eyes, so let's go ahead and begin. So I'm going to use my ever favorite icing brush, which is this part. Okay, that's how it looks like. There. Okay, and for my palette, I'm going to use this color over here. Okay. Okay. And I'm just going to go ahead and just apply it. Alright, so after you put that color in there, we're going to go ahead and touch base with this color over here, okay? Using my icing brush. This is how it looks like. It's kind of like a blending brush. I really like this because it covers a lot. Okay, so I'm going to use this. Okay. There. It's like yellowish actually. That's weird. Okay. And I'm just going to put it like in the, over here, like in the crease of your eyes. Okay. That's how it's gonna look like. We're gonna go ahead and use this color. It's a darker green. We're only gonna do it over here on the side, and we're using Morphe E507 brush. Okay. Wow, I'm using Morphe brush. Okay, so we're gonna just put it over here on this side. That's how it looks like. Never tried this before, so it's a little different. It feels like a snake color for me. It's like a snake color for me. But it will make it work. Okie dokie. We're gonna go ahead and touch this kind of like a blue-green color over here. It doesn't show blue-green, but to me it looks like blue-green color. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just try that and kind of like just do it over here. Okay, just pack the color. Okay, using the same brush, which is my Morphe 507 brush. Okay, so I packed the color. Ooh, this one looks nice. Very intense color. I like that. There. I like the intensity of it. Okay, and then you just have to blend it using the same icing brush that you used for blending it. You just have to blend it. Okay, just blend the outer part of it to make it a little bit softer. There you go. There you go. Just to make it a little bit softer. There you go. So you kind of like cross it like halfway. Not all the way, but halfway. Okay. And then you just have to blend the outer part of it. For some reason, the green reminds me of like snake skin or something. So let's go ahead and just blend it all the way. There you go. Okay. So once blended, okay. So there's like a black color in the palette, which is this color over here. We're just going to put so little, just a little. We're not going to go ahead and go crazy with a dark color, just little. And I'm still using the same Morphe M507 brush. Okay, and then we're just going to go ahead and just dab it over here. Alright, so we put it over here. I'm not blending it yet. Okay, I'm just packing it over here, kind of like putting an accent. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend it again. So now that we're done with it, we're going to go ahead and I want to see if I can put yellow in the middle. What do you guys think? Yellow. Like this yellow type of color. What do you guys think? Yellow color. Let me try. Let me try. I'm so afraid to try new colors. Let's go ahead and try. Okay. Not that bad. Not that bad. Oh, okay. Alrighty. There you go. Right, and then you just have to go ahead and just blend it again like that. Blend it. I like blending stuff. So now that we put this color over here on our eyelids, let's go ahead and just get an icing eye palette, and it's called Shimmer. It's called Shimmer. This is how it looks like. There. Shimmer, shimmer. So that's how it's gonna look like. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the under eye. I'm going to use this palette over here, which is a blue-green. Okay, Go ahead and touch base a little bit and then just put it underneath your eyes. Alright. Now that we do, I always like putting eyeliner on my waterline over here. Alright, so I put eyeliner on my waterline right now. So now that I've already done that, I'm going to go ahead and just put a wing eyeliner. So I'm going to wing it and I'm going to put my lashes on and I will be back. Okay, now I'm finished with the eyes. I was able to go ahead and apply the lashes. These lashes are from Christina, and what I do have, this is one of my favorites. It's Christina 100% Human Hair in black, and it's in number 605. So we're just gonna go ahead and finish up with the look. I have completed the look using our BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil. Really, really nice palette. Very colorful, kind of like a watercolor type of a palette, and I'm starting to like it. I'm gonna go ahead and try a different, kind of like color again next time on my next video. If you do like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and if you do have comments and suggestions, please do let me know by putting your comments down below. If you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe to my channel. Until my next video, thank you so much for watching.